Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a very interesting topic to talk about. But first, let me ask you something. Do you guys remember on the previous lesson we spoke about stories, like different types of stories? So, if you remember, we said that pretty much every story has like a certain structure, right? So same thing with our actions. So we have a certain order of actions when we say about the story or when we do something and then we say about our actions. So let me put this song for you about the days of the week. Okay, you ready? Let's listen to it. Tuesday, Wednesday, sing along. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Now. So as you can hear and see, we have a week, right? And there is a certain sequence of the days. So basically, our calendar could be a good example of sequence. So in our week, we have certain sequence, certain order of the days. Then a year actually has the certain sequence of the months and so on. So, right? So the sequence is the order. Okay? So let me share with you the story about my morning. So today in the morning, I woke up, I put on my pajama, my nightgown, and then I had dinner, and then I brushed my teeth and I did some exercises. That was my morning. What you think about my morning routine? How does it sound to you? Maria, how does it sound to you? You saying it doesn't sound right? But why not? Why not, Jacob? Why not? Oh, because I can have dinner in the morning? Yep, you're absolutely right. I cannot. So, as you saying, we all have to have certain order of the events, right? In order for our listeners to understand the story that we want to tell them. So let's take a look at this anchor chart. So sequence of events, right? So over here, and usually we use these words first, next, then, and last, right? When we sing the story. So over here we have the order of events for the story how to make a sandwich. Okay, so first here we're taking the bread. Here's 2 pieces of bread. You can take 1 piece, but the events should be kind of similar, like right, the same. So first we take the bread, then we apply some kind of topping of your choice, right? The topping of your choice. Then we can cover it with another piece of bread, or maybe if you like to add some tomatoes on top, right? And then when our sandwich is ready, we eat that. Exactly. And we use these words for the story. First, next, then, and last. Exactly. So can you guys share with me your morning routine? Yes, Jacob. So you're saying you woke up today and then you brushed your teeth, you washed your face, okay, and then, oh, you had your breakfast, okay, and then you left for school. You know what? That's pretty much exactly what our morning routine is is about, right? We get up, we do our stuff in the bathroom, then we eat our breakfast, we dress, and then we out of the house, right? So that's the sequence of events. Exactly. So let's see. Let's take a look at our other pictures, right? The sequence of events. How to make pizza. So Michael, what should we do first out of all these pictures in order to make pizza? What we're doing? We roll the pizza dough. So that would be our first event, our first action. Exactly. Jennifer, what are we doing next? Next, we applying the toppings, right? Of your choice. It could be the sauce, cheese, no cheese, what's it called? Pepperoni, right? Could be vegetables. Exactly. So the applying the toppings would be next, our second event. And then Maria, we cut the pizza. Exactly. We cutting the pizza. And then, Michael, what we're doing next, what we like the best, we're eating the pizza. That's right. That's exactly what we do. We apply certain actions, all right? So let's review some information about the story. So who can tell me what are the story elements? Maria, can you give me the one of those elements? The character. That's absolutely right. The character. So the character of this story could be animals, things, people, right? Yes. And Michael, what is the other element that you can share with us? The setting of the story, exactly. So the setting of the story is where the story is going on. Exactly, that's right. So, and let me tell you about the plot. So every story has the plot. And the plot is what happened in the beginning, middle, and the end. So first, next, then, and last. I'm gonna read for you now the story about hungry caterpillar. And you please listen very carefully because afterwards you will be doing some worksheet about that book. Okay, so the worksheet is you have to cut out the pictures from the story and just you tell me what happened first, next, then, and last. So Michael, could you please distribute to your classmates this worksheets? They're on my table, so you can pass them around. And Maria, please sit down right here next to me, and me and Christopher will be near you in case you need some help, okay? And let's get started. Thank you very much.